Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC Global. For that, first of all, you need to launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log into your account. Now, once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And here on this overview page, you are going to see this deposit button. So you need to tap on deposit, and then you will be asked to select the currency or the crypto that you want to deposit. So in this list, you will have to search for USDT, and after that you need to select the network. So over here, you will be able to see a bunch of different networks. So you just have to select the one as per your convenience. For this video, I am going to select the TRC20 network. Once done, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address on TRC20 for the USDT. So you will have to copy this address from here, and after that you need to launch your Binance app. Now when you are in your Binance application, you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And after that, you need to tap on the option of spot in the top. Now in this spot, you will have to tap on USDT, and then you need to tap on the option of withdrawal. Afterwards, you need to select the option of send via crypto network, and then you will be redirected on this page, where the address that we have just copied from MEXC, you will have to paste that address over here. After that, it will ask you to select the network. So as in the MEXC, we have selected TRC20. So you will have to select the same network in Binance app. And this way, you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Binance to MEXC. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.